everyone, it's me, Zubia Imran. Nowadays, I have some problem in my throats. I don't know, my voice is bit changed, but I hope that you will accept that and you will ignore the sound quality of my talking. So, thank you very much for being in touch. Thank you very much for your concerns. If you are watching this video, then please listen my point of view till end because it's important. It's kind of a serious discussion. I was thinking before many days because before COVID-19, I guess 3 years back, I have done last of my art exhibition. I have sold some pictures, but afterwards the situation of businesses are quite different. It's not so satisfactory and easy atmosphere for you to sell your art. Especially artists know that how the situation for selling art at the moment is. So I thought that why not, everybody has jumped into online marketing, jumped into online businesses, then why not art? It's my own products. I have created many paintings, I have sold my work, but nowadays I thought that I have more than 15 or more than 20 paintings at my house. I have created by myself. I want to sell them. It would be nice that if you will see my all paintings in form of video messages or pictures. I am always sharing on and off, but the situation of selling is getting a bit complicated at the moment because of different circumstances. After COVID-19, everybody has jumped into online selling. So I thought that why not, I should explain the situation as well as my artwork, that I have some paintings for selling. They are quite bigger, like 120 by 90 centimeter. So they are quite huge, as you can see at the back. It's the size of different paintings what I have at home. I would like to sell them. Whoever has interest or who is interested to buy my paintings, I'm sharing on and off all the pictures, all the details of my artwork. I have shared my video along with my email address, so you contact me, you just write me your price. I will definitely tell you my price. If it will be suitable situation, then definitely I will send it within 3 days. As we all know that after COVID-19, everybody has jumped into the online business. So why not? It's my own product. It's my creation, my paintings. I love all my paintings because I have created it with my heart. So art is priceless, but I would like to have some price to create more paintings to enhance my art business. So it's the idea, it's the situation. I hope you will understand. It would be nice if you will share your comments, your interests. If you want to really buy my art, then I will come back to you and you will write me the email. I will reply you on email and we will proceed further. So guys, as everybody has jumped into online business, so why not, I have paintings and large size paintings, approximately more than 15. I want to sell them. You give me your price, I would definitely recommend you my price and we will settle it down. So I hope you will get my point and you will get the whole idea of this video, that I want to sell surely my paintings to the people. I live in Germany. It's not a problem. If you are in any country, if you are interested in my art or in buying my paintings, I will send it per post and I will charge the sending charges as well. As you can see at my back, I have one painting there. It's a big size painting. The purpose of this video and sitting in front of the painting is that you can get the proper idea that how bigger that painting is and how it looks like on the wall. My paintings, they are all modern art and it's abstract. I will share definitely more paintings and more styles what I have created, so you will have the idea that how they are looking like and how you can exhibit in your sitting rooms or drawing rooms or anywhere. If you will put one spotlight, then it will enhance more beautifully. So guys, The purpose of this video is to inform you guys that I live in Germany. I have some paintings, I have created them, they are quite bigger. Guys, please ignore my sound quality because I'm suffering into a bit problem of a throat. So I guess that it's not a big deal. We can understand each other, and you can see and you will understand my point of view. So these paintings are quite bigger, large sized paintings, like 120 by 90 centimeter in sizes. So if you have good place, or if you are fond of modern art or abstract art, then you can see my work. They're all not only the painting, it's embossed work, it's the texture work, and I will show you the details definitely. So keep in touch. If you have interest, let me know. It would be nice that I will be able to sell all my paintings, because the artists should send all the paintings from home, and then obviously the creativity demands more, and I want to create more paintings for next selling lot. So I hope you will get my point, and let me know your feedback, let me know what you are thinking about that, and would be nice, and I will be happy to contact with you. So this was the idea for today's video. Take care, and many greetings for this week. Do good, and it will come back to you. Take care and goodbye.